Hello, I'm Sean Upton. I work for One Stop Body Shop as a vehicle restoration technician. I started out as a body shop manager, going through various independents and ending up working for an independent. And then I ended up coming back onto the shop floor again. It's a lot more enjoyable, a lot less stressful, and doing what you enjoy is half the battle with your work. My skills that I require for working on vehicles every day are panel beating skills, knowledge of the vehicles, knowledge of how they used to be built, which is quite different from today's standards. The paintwork side of things is also important, and also the finer finishing at the end. To do my job as a restoration technician, you do have to have social skills. You have to have an interaction with the customer, which is very important, and enthusiasm for the job and the vehicle that you're working on. Challenges that we have to put up with every day are, particularly with the older cars, finding parts which probably don't exist anymore, trying to rebuild parts of the vehicle that you know parts aren't available for. What I like about the job personally is nothing is the same. Every vehicle is different. Every vehicle has its own peculiarities. We don't just do body work. We paint wheels, we paint and repair interiors. It's quite different. It's very diverse. I get a lot of job satisfaction out of doing this. I wouldn't do it otherwise. It's fantastic. We get a mangled wreck coming in, we sort it out, we put the new parts on, we repair parts, it goes out looking as new again. And doing the job all the way through, seeing the vehicle being reconstructed, whether it be a restoration case or an accident case, that job goes through the workshop and you see it just build up as it goes through to the final finishing when it goes out gleaming, and hopefully you've got a happy customer at the end of it. If you're coming into the industry or have an idea that you want to come into the industry and have an interest in the vehicles, work experience from schools will let you go into a garage. We've just had a young chap come in and spend a week with us. He enjoyed it. He thought it was great. It met all his expectations. And then after that, I think you've got to look at doing the college courses that are available, and then get into the body shop, and the sky's the limit. You know, you can start off as a technician, like what I'm doing now, and work your way up to a management position.